maybe I should start my hair. Hello guys, welcome back. Well, yes, welcome back. So if you didn't notice, I keep wearing black shirts, so you guys cannot really tell, but I cut my hair like two weeks ago or so. I just wanted a new look, and my girl definitely gave me the new look that I was looking for. So this is 2-day-old hair, I think. It still has a lot of volume. I do have layers on layers, so when I curl my hair, when I get a doobie or get a blow dry or whatever, it does make my hair a little bit bigger, which is what I really love, because I have a lot of hair and it's curly, so I'm used to the volume and stuff like that. But I never wear my hair curly. I don't know, I feel like it doesn't like suit my face or whatever, I don't know. So I figured I will show you how I kind of bring my hair back to life now that it's short. So this is the length that it is right now, but I do have like shorter layers up here just for volume, like I said. So this is really gonna take me like literally 5 minutes, not even. This is not my natural hair color, of course. This is literally jet black. I dye it every 3 to 4 months. A lot of you always ask me if this is my real hair color or whatever. No, I actually have really curly hair and really light brown hair, just like my daughter. But yeah, I already have heat protectant oils in my hair because, like I said, this is 2-day-old hair. I use this John Frieda flat iron, and like a couple years ago I did like a bombshell curl. I was using the purple one of these. They're literally the same, the only difference is the color. The other one died and this was the only color that I could find. So John Frieda. And I don't really know if the size of the barrel, I can try to find it. Maybe I can put it in the link below if I find it, maybe like on Amazon or something. But I got this one at Walgreens, like down the street from my house. So, and it was not bad. It was like $30 or so. So I usually crank it up to 450. I don't even know if you guys can see. Oh, 455. And a clip. So usually what I do with my hair is, sorry if I'm looking this way, I just have the mirror in front of me. I kind of comb through it. I lose a lot of hair. It's always been like that. Now that it's shorter, I lose a little bit of less hair, but nonetheless, hair is always falling out. What I usually do is I just part it down like this, and I just pin it to the top. Sometimes my hair cooperates in this little situation. Sometimes it just doesn't, like this piece back here. I've always had layers in my hair. I've always loved the volume in it that layers give you. The only thing that I don't like is that when you're trying to put it up, there's like stuff flying everywhere. I part it into 2 sections, and then I take a piece, I clamp it at the top, and then I just turn the barrel away from my face slowly until I get this like little zoop, and then I just curl it with my fingers, and I kind of hold it there like in a little twist while it's still hot for like a 5 seconds or so. Just hold it there and let it go so it curls up from the top and it's more like a natural wave. So I do the same thing all over my hair. Just be careful though, because since it is hot, you might burn your fingers. So you should have something like this. Some pieces, obviously, they don't curl sometimes because they're a little rubble. So I just grab it and curl it, and I just leave it there to kind of cool off, and then I move to the other side. So same thing, just grab a piece and curl away from your face. So I usually have like a hair tie or something just to tie it back, but today I don't feel like doing that. So I just grabbed all of the hair that I curled and I'm twisting it all in the same direction, and I'm just holding it there for a while. Some of the hair pieces are still warm, so they'll curl in the direction that I'm twisting it in. So you should have, I don't know if you can really see, but you should have like a little ponytail. So I just put everything to the back and I move on to the other pieces. So again, I'm parting it and I'm curling away from my face. All right, so I'm gonna curl the rest of my hair, and then when I reach the top, I will show you guys how I do the top. All right, so I had to put my glasses on because my contacts were like bothering me so much. So after you curled your hair and gave your hair some texture, now it's kind of time to style it as to how you really like your hair. My part is either in the middle or off to the side, but my hair really does what it wants, to be honest with you. So I kind of have to make it do what I want it to do because I'm the boss, okay? Get it together. So wire got stuck at the door. Since I really like to put it to the side, I kind of just take pieces from it and I curl those pieces, but they have to blend in with my hair. I feel like my glasses are gonna get in the way of this, so I'm gonna take them off and be blind for a second. I mean, I can see. I'm legally blind. Okay, so like I said, this is my part. So what I do is I just take pieces from the top and I curl the same way that I've been curling away. Instead, the only difference that I do is I don't put it in a little like twist. I just kind of let it fall how it wants to fall. because I kind of like that messy but put together look. That's always been my go-to look. I don't know why. But so I kind of crunch it up to like give it the texture. Like I said, I really like my hair in this in this haircut, especially because of the volume that I have. So again, same thing. I just curl away and I just kind of have it blend in to my hair. If I get tired of it and I don't want it in the side, I kind of just put it back and put my hair in the middle, and then I would just fix, you know, the curls that I have. I would just make sure that everything blends together, excuse me. And then these pieces, of course. I'm really undecisive. Like, I can leave my house with like a side part and then be in the car and be like fixing it, or leave my house with a middle part and be fixing it to do a side part. So I'm just really, my hair and I have a weird relationship. We're both crazy. I don't know if I'm explaining this correct, but I hope that I am. I am not a hairstylist. I will never pretend to be. I think hair is a lot harder than makeup, because makeup you can easily remove and start over. Once you've cut hair, once you style it, it's kind of hard to go back to the drawing board. So I stick to makeup. But I just know what my hair does, and just showing you guys the tips and tricks that I do with my hair. So this is kind of how I like my hair to be. So after I styled my hair, I like to take this L'Oreal Paris Frizz Taming Serum. And as you guys can see, I use it a lot. It smells amazing, but I just put some on my hands. Let me take my ring off. I kind of warm it up in my hands, and I flip my hair, and I kind of just run the serum all throughout my hair. Okay, here we go. So this is not like a gel or anything, but for me, I feel like it holds the style in my hair. Like I said, it's not a gel, it's non-sticky, it's just like a serum, but I feel like it does a good job in holding in the style that you put your hair in. And it does do what it says, like the frizz. It just, you have no frizz with this serum. So this is just like how I curl my hair for short hair now that I have short hair. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.